$88 million cocaine bust leads to multi-million-dollar foreign currency seizure in St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The police are counting a massive foreign currency haul, reportedly seized during a joint police-military raid in St. James. Preliminary estimates indicate the sum could be in excess of Jamaican $500 million. Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers provided an update to read the ongoing investigation.
On Tuesday, April 26, a pre-dawn intelligence-led operation comprised members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force under the leadership of the Narcotics Division with military support conducted an operation in the Coral Gardens community of St. James, which led to the interception of a vehicle in which cocaine weighing about 11 kilograms with a street value of $88 million was found. The premises where the vehicle was intercepted was searched, and cash in US and Canadian currency amounting to millions was recovered, which investigators advise will take some time to be counted. 2 persons have since been arrested, whilst the owner of the house, who was the subject of a drug extradition request from the US in 2005, is being sought. The operation has been extended to other parishes to include Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, and at one such location, a quantity of ganja was seized and an arrest made. A high-level investigation is now in train, which extend beyond the shores of Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!